At we just have to respect the wisdom of the President on this matter.
Sorry, just one quick follow-up po. Pero, ganun ba katindi yung naging issue? Because despite the things that were accomplished by General Torre, he led the arrest of former President Duterte, kay Pastor Kibuloy, and this messy transition could have been prevented if the position was announced first, the new position was announced first before he was relieved. So, what really happened?
Huwag naman natin masabi nagkaroon ng messy transition because nagkausap naman po sila at alam po natin na naiintindihan ni General Torre kung ano yung naganap at nirerespeto rin po niya kung ano po yung naging desisyon ng Pangulo.
Sorry ma'am, alam ko ang two questions now. Quick follow-up. Is it a position mo yung offer kay General Torre?
Ibibigay po namin na detalye kapag ka po naayos na po at na big public servant at maaari po pa rin siyang magsilbi sa bayan. So hindi po natin nakikita na kung ano yung nakikita na Makabayan Block.
Salamat sa lahat ng ating mga commanders mula sa mga regional provincial directors, chiefs of police at sa mga directors ng National Support Unit na nagpaabot ng kanilang suporta sa ating pamumuno sa loob ng mahigit 2 buwan na panunungkulan ko bilang chief ng